Well, hello again. I'm not really sure what I am building, but I got this planetary gearbox here I printed just for fun. So I'm getting more comfortable with the software, so I built a holder, made a holder for it that's currently printing. So I'm gonna go look for a motor and to drive the gearbox and make it do something, since, well, having a planetary gearbox just sitting around ain't fun. So I'll come back when I find a motor. It's probably in some everything bin somewhere, but well, I need to get to those things anyway. So see you in a bit.
One eternity later.
I managed to find a motor that will work. That is not a good background, but whatever. It even has the correct pulley on it, so I don't have to design one of those. So yeah, that'll work. That'll be good. And I found out my phone it can make time lapses. So I think you can we'll see my terrible design skills in a time lapse right about somewhere and now. Anyway, here's the thing you just saw me design. I think it worked right, but I realized something. I don't have any belts except the ones on the 3D printer, which I'm not going to use. So, oh wait, maybe that was what that was supposed to be. Alright, well, anyway, so I'm gonna gear it. I dropped the gear, but anyway, I've printed another one of those, so that will work. I had these gears laying around from a failed gearbox print, and well, it's gonna look cooler with gears anyway. So right now we're at going and finding a piece of wood to mount this on, and mounting the smaller gear on the motor, and then lining it all up, and hopefully it will work. And then I'm gonna try to figure something out to put another gear on here to do something. And no more time lapses of design, because that was a pain in the ass to do. I get very low concentration, but you know that. So anyway, I'll be back when I have an update on that. Ah yes, it's done. I made an adapter for fitting on here. Well, this one doesn't work, the one that's in this gear does. So let's just glue it together and then we're gonna test run it. Well, there we go. I know that the gear mesh is gonna be crappy, but it might work anyway. So this is the first test, so you'll know with me, you know as little as me about if it works or not. Interesting. A bit slower. And too slow. Here you go. Can't really see as much of the planetary gear as I wished, but oh well, it's good enough for now. Now I just get to figure out what to do, put to this gear, and do something with that. Anyway, that's it for this video. I think I'm gonna use this thing as an outro or something. We'll see what happens with that. Anyway, see ya. Oh, damn it.
Dream is dead. But if I get elected president, I will bring it back. Bigger, better, stronger, bigger,